Hello students. Last class we discussed about solutions and solute, solvent, types of solutions, and today we are discussing about methods of expressing concentration. Methods of expressing concentration. What are the methods we can express in concentrations? In this, first we discuss about dilute solutions. We all know about dilute HCl, dilute HNO3, or dilute H2SO4. What is meant by dilute? What is meant by dilute solution? What is meant by dilute solution? In this, here, solute particles are very less compared to solvent. Okay, that means the solution contains a smaller quantity of solute. Smaller quantity of solute compared to solution, so compared to solvent. When the small quantity of solute compared to solvent, that means the solution is dilute solution. Okay, dilute HCl means the solute is very small when compared to the solvent. Okay, what in this dilute solute means the acid of HCl is very less when diluting with water. Here the HCl is solute and the water is solvent, and water is solvent. Next, we are moving to concentrated solution. Concentrated solutions. What is meant by concentrated solution? Here, the solute is more when compared to solvent. That means large quantity of solute compared to solvent. Okay, that means concentrated HCl. It means HCl is more and water is less. That means HCl is solute and water is solvent. These are dilute and concentrated solutions. Okay, next, weight of solution. Next, we are discussing about what is meant by weight of solution. Weight of solution. Weight of solution. What is meant by weight of solution? It means volume of the solution, volume of the solution into density of the solution. Simply the volume and its density. That means volume of the solution into density of the solution. That means the weight of the solution. Weight of the solution expressed in ml. Okay. Next, we are moving to specific gravity. What is meant by specific gravity? Specific gravity. What is meant by specific gravity? That means density of the solution, density of solution by density of water. Okay, density of solution by density of water. Remember one thing, students, specific gravity has no units. It has no units. Okay, what is meant by the density of the solution? What is meant by the word meaning density means mass by volume. Okay, the given solution, the mass occupied and how much of volume, that we call it as density. The solution, how much it occupies the density, and compared to that of water. Okay, that is called the specific gravity. It has no units. Next, here onwards, we discuss the important terms. From this onwards, we discuss about important terms, that is weight percentage, or means weight fraction. Weight fraction. Okay, what is meant by weight fraction? Suppose here the solution is made up of solute and solvent. Okay, solution is made up of solute and solvent. Weight fraction means the amount of solute in grams. The amount of solute in grams, in grams, present in present in here the solution total weight is 100 grams. What is the weight of solute in grams? It is present in 100 grams of the solution. That we call it as a weight fraction. Here the weight fraction is denoted by small w, means weight of the solute. Total weight of the solutions means that means solute plus solvent. The small w means weight of the solute, and the capital W means weight of the solvent. Okay, and what is meant by weight percent? What is meant by simply weight by weight of the solute by weight of the solution into 100. Okay, that is called weight fraction, and this is called weight percentage of the solution. Okay, next, volume fraction and volume percentage. Volume fraction and volume percentage. What is meant by volume fraction and what is meant by volume percentage? Volume fraction. What is meant by volume fraction? That is volume of solute in ml. This is solution, the solution which contains a solute and a solvent. The solute volume and solvent volume. Okay, that means the volume of solute in ml present in 100 ml of the given solution. 100 ml of the given solution, that we call it as a volume fraction. It is denoted by small v, means volume of solute. Total volume of the solution means solute plus solvent. That means volume of solute plus volume of solvent. And what is meant by volume percentage? Simple, volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Okay, these are most important terms in expressing concentration. On further classes, the problems are based in these formulas. Okay, next we are moving to mass by volume percentage. Next we are moving mass by volume percentage. That means mass means m and volume means v. Okay, sorry, mass means w, volume means v. Okay, it means the mass of the solute which is dissolved in, okay, mass of the solute which is dissolved in, this is 100 ml of the solution. 100 this quantity is 100 ml. Okay, now how much the mass of the solute is dissolved? Okay, how much the mass of solute is dissolved? Okay, that means mass volume percentage is equals to mass of the solute by volume of solution into 100. Keep it mind, my dear students, these are very important terms and it will be further helpful to the next problems. Okay, next, parts per million, simply we could call it as ppm, and or sometimes in last year or before last year they may asking ppb, parts per billion also. Parts per million means 10 power 6, parts per billion means 10 to the power of 9. Okay, first we discuss about parts per million. Okay, parts per million, what is meant by parts per million? Okay, here the solution is 10 to the power of 6, that is in million. Its unit is in million. How much amount of solute is dissolved in it? The solution quantity is 10 to the power of 6, that means a million quantity. And if I added a solute, how much amount of dissolved in it? Okay, that we call it as parts per million. It is used for low concentrations. It is used for low concentration of solutions. Low concentration of solutions. Its formula is ppm is equals to mass of solute, mass of solute by mass of solution, mass of solution. That means mass of solute in 10 to the power of 6 million. Okay, it is called ppm. It is also an important formula for competitive exams. Okay, next we are moving to regular terms, that is molarity. Regular term, that means molarity. Molarity, it is denoted by capital M. What is meant by molarity? Suppose I am taking 1 liter of solution. The solution capacity is 1 liter. Okay, the solution capacity is 1 liter. Okay, next, how many moles of solute, how many moles of solute dissolved in it? How many number of moles of solute dissolved in it? That means the definition is, it is the number of moles of solute dissolved in, dissolved in 1 liter of solution. 1 liter of solution. Remember one thing, student, here I am using a liter. Okay, here I am using liter. Next, it is denoted by capital M. That means number of moles of solute means n, and liter we units is volume, v in liters. We know that n is equal to weight by molecular weight. Okay, that means m is equal to w by m by v in liters. Okay, that is equal to m is equal to w by m. Simply I am using a gram molecular weight, GMW. Here I am also GMW using gram molecular weight. That is m by GMW into Here we volume in liters by 1. Okay, that means 1 by V in liters. Okay, suppose if we convert a liter into ml, the equation is m is equal to W by GMW, gram molecular weight, into 1000 by V in ml. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liters is equal to 1000 ml. Okay, this is a molarity equation, and